Well, welcome back. 2003 Mercury Sable. Just bought this car, 41,000 miles on it. So I'm going through it, cleaning. It's in good shape. I know the person who owned it, took good care of it, maintained it well. Just didn't get a lot of miles. We're going to do a cabin air filter in this. I don't know what kind of shape it's in, but I like to go through and change all the fluids if I buy a car. Cabin air filter, look at the air cleaner, see if that's in, it needs to be done, and we're just going to do cabin air filter right now. Real simple in this car. So you can see one of the other things, I got to get some windshield washer hose. This is dry rot, it broke, so we'll replace that as well. But for now, cabin air filter's behind here. We've got a couple clips we got to take off. Outside, so hopefully there's some decent light here. We'll just go in here and see if we can just pry these clips off real quick. I'm going to do this with a screwdriver or this tool. Alright, I think that's all the clips we take off, I believe. We ought to get this cowl off. I think this will come off now. Yep. I may have to put this up, but I don't know if I have to or not. Let's see. I gotta weasel it out of here. Full crud, know that. Probably gonna want to go towards the driver's side with it. Yeah, there we go. So we're gonna clean in there. The trick is probably to pop it out of there. Oh, I don't think I can get this out of here without taking it out. Let me see if I can get it out. Maybe I don't need to. Nah. Alright, I can get it out of there without having taken that shield. So just leave that shield in place. But you can see, a little dirty, just a little. Hopefully you can see that. I can't see what you're saying, but that is really cruddy. It's kind of what I expected. I'm going to go in here with a vacuum, and I'm going to vacuum this out and clean it really good. It needs to be cleaned before I put this back together, so I'll come back when I'm done that, and there's nothing to see. Alright, cleaning is done. Exciting as it is, involved air hose and shop vac and a few other things, and really took longer than doing this. So here's part number 24773. This is a Wix cabin air filter. You only go in one way. Alright, so air's going in from the top, going down, the foam goes on the bottom. So initially I thought you had to take the shield off. You do not. You can just slide it in here without doing that. Just slide it in. It only goes one way. It's not square or rectangular, so it can really only go one way. Make sure you get it seated in there all the way. In the back, get that seated. Try to get the back seated first. Kind of a little tough because it's hard to get your hand in there, but nothing serious. And that's it. I'm gonna put this cover back on. Okay. Two little push-ins right here, and here. Three actually. There's one over here too. Actually four. I lied. Maybe I lied. I just didn't know. There's four of them. Line this back up. Clips back, lined up. Should be able to see it. You can see it. When you get it in place, you can see it. At least a couple of them you can through the grill. There, that one. Good. That's it. Put the clips back on. Push them back in place here. A lot easier going on than coming off. On my one remaining clip. In my pocket somewhere. So these two have hoses that are attached to them, so they're not going to go anywhere when you pop them off of there. Just be careful with this one; it doesn't take off on you and fly, and you lose it. You don't want to do that. So just push that back in place. Oh, come on! There we go. And that's it. That's it for the cabin air filter. Real simple job. Well, that's it. Really simple job. Really only takes a couple minutes. Took me longer to clean all the stuff out of the cow, from under that cow, than it did to actually do the filter. I initially thought you had to remove that water shield, but you don't. you can just reach in there and slide that filter out, slide the new one in. Filter has an arrow. Make sure the arrow is pointing the direction of the airflow. In this case, it's down and in. So the arrow should be pointing down. You have to do this for your car. I hope it helps you out. Real simple job. If you like the video, subscribe below. Thanks for watching.